In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually email attendees for a single appointment or group class. Whether it's a one-on-one meeting or gathering a group of participants, these skills will come in handy for keeping everyone informed and on the same page. Let's start with emailing for a single appointment. First, locate the specific appointment on your calendar. Simply click on it to open up its details. Once you are in the appointment's detail view, look for the Edit option, usually found at the top or side of the page. Clicking Edit will allow you to modify various aspects of the appointment, including notifying attendees. Here, you'll find an email field. This is where the magic happens. If you're notifying just one person, enter their email address in this field. However, if you need to notify multiple people, you can do so easily by entering their email addresses separated by commas. This way, you can send the necessary notifications and updates to everyone involved with just one click. Review the list of email addresses to ensure accuracy, and before finalizing, double-check that you've included everyone who needs to be informed. Now, if you're dealing with a group class and need to email all attendees, you'll want to take a slightly different approach. Head back to the calendar and find the specific class appointment you want to work with. Click on it just as you did for a single appointment. Once you're in the appointment details, look for the Email Attendees option. Selecting this will open a new email message with all of the attendees' email addresses already filled in the To field. This convenient feature saves you the hassle of entering each email manually, ensuring everyone listed as an attendee receives the message at the same time. There is an important detail to note when emailing attendees for a large class. If your class has more than 100 participants, you won't be able to email them directly using this method. Instead, you'll need to export the appointment list. From there, open the resulting spreadsheet where all the attendees' emails are available. Copy these email addresses and paste them into a new message composed either in your email client or email platform of choice. This workaround ensures you can still reach your entire class despite the initial limitation. Throughout this process, remember to craft clear and precise emails so that recipients can easily understand the information or reminders you're sharing. It's always a good practice to include details like the appointment's time, location, or any changes that have been made. And of course, if there's anything urgent, highlight it to make sure it stands out to the recipients. With these steps, you're equipped to efficiently communicate with attendees for both individual appointments and larger group classes. Keeping everyone in the loop is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.